Ever wonder how the money you spend online gets from your bank account to the merchant? Moneybag, the world of online payments, is a complex one, and few companies have a history as rich and fascinating as Paysafe. It's a story of rebranding, strategic acquisitions, and a constant evolution to stay on top of the digital economy. So, how did a company once called Optimal Payments become a global payments powerhouse? Let's dive into the history of Paysafe. The foundation, Optimal Payments. The journey begins in 1996, with a company founded in Canada called Optimal Payments. Its initial mission was simple: provide secure payment processing solutions for the emerging e-commerce market. Back then, online shopping was still in its infancy, and a lot of people were hesitant about sharing their credit card details. This created a huge opportunity for a reliable, secure payment processor. Optimal Payments quickly grew by focusing on card-based solutions, becoming a key player in the online payments space. A new identity and strategic mergers. The year 2011 was a major turning point. Optimal Payments underwent a significant rebrand, changing its name to the Paysafe Group. But this was more than just a name change. It was a move that reflected a much broader business strategy. The company began a series of aggressive acquisitions, snapping up key players to expand its services. The most notable of these was the 2015 acquisition of Skrill, a leading digital wallet provider, for a whopping €1.1 billion. This deal was a game-changer, as it brought together two major forces in the online payments world. Skrill itself had previously acquired PaysafeCard, a prepaid online payment solution, in 2013, which was founded in Austria back in 2000. These acquisitions gave Paysafe a powerful portfolio of products, including digital wallets, prepaid solutions, and merchant payment processing. The Paysafe of today. The years following the rebrand and major acquisitions saw Paysafe solidify its position in the market. In 2017, the company was taken private by private equity firms Blackstone and CVC Capital Partners, before going public again on the New York Stock Exchange in 2021. This move signaled a new phase of growth and innovation. Today, Paysafe is a global payments platform that serves a wide range of industries, from gaming to e-commerce. Its story is a perfect example of how a company can adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing technological landscape. From its origins as Optimal Payments to its transformation into the diverse and powerful Paysafe Group, the company's history is a testament to the power of strategic vision and a focus on meeting the evolving needs of the digital economy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.